Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and notification icon now to never miss out on our new videos. In the first 90 days, the book emphasizes the importance of focusing on quick wins and early successes to build momentum and buy-in from key stakeholders. This means identifying and prioritizing projects or initiatives that can be completed quickly and that will have a positive impact on the organization. The book advises leaders to set their sights on achievable goals that can be accomplished in a short period of time, and to use these quick wins to demonstrate their capabilities and build momentum for their overall plan. The book also stresses the importance of involving key stakeholders in these quick wins and early successes, by seeking their input, feedback, and buy-in. By doing this, the book suggests that leaders can build support and buy-in from key stakeholders and increase their chances of success in the long run. Additionally, the book highlights the importance of celebrating and communicating these quick wins and early successes, both internally and externally. This helps to create a positive culture and to demonstrate the progress and achievements of the team. Overall, focusing on quick wins and early successes is an effective way for leaders to build momentum and buy-in from key stakeholders, and the first 90 days provides leaders with the strategies and advice they need to do it successfully. An example of focusing on quick wins and early successes to build momentum and buy-in from key stakeholders would be a new project manager assigned to lead a large-scale project. First, the project manager would identify quick wins and early success opportunities, such as completing high-priority tasks that had been previously delayed or resolving a long-standing issue that had been affecting the project negatively. Next, the project manager would involve key stakeholders such as the project team, customers, and sponsors in the quick wins and early success opportunities, seeking their input and feedback. The project manager would then prioritize these quick wins and early success opportunities and develop a plan to achieve them as soon as possible. Furthermore, the project manager would celebrate and communicate these quick wins and early successes, both internally and externally. This helps to create a positive culture and to demonstrate the progress and achievements of the project team. Lastly, the project manager would use these quick wins and early successes as a stepping stone to build momentum and buy-in from key stakeholders, and to increase their chances of success in the long run. By doing this, the project manager is demonstrating their capabilities, building support and buy-in from key stakeholders, and creating a positive culture, which all contribute to the success of the project. Thank you for watching. If like this video, subscribe and click on the notification icon to never miss out on new videos. Follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Thank you.